Hello and welcome to Aleeplanning. My name is Ashley, and today I will be giving you a short tour of the Debt Snowball Calculator. The Debt Snowball Calculator will help you pay off your debt during your debt-free journey. So how this works is you will list all your debts, and the calculator will then help you create a payoff plan based off the information that is given. So I will show you exactly how it's set up. So if you're ready to be on your debt-free journey, then this will be a helpful tool for you. So first you will enter in when you want to start your debt snowball payments. So you'll do that by double clicking, and it will populate a calendar, and you can just select the date that you want to start, and it will show you the month and the year. You can choose your currency here by also double clicking, and in this space you will enter in any additional monthly payments that you would like to add. So after you made your minimum payments on all your debts, you'll check your budget to see if you have any money left over that you can allocate towards your debt. So this information here, the debt balance, minimum payments, end date, and total interest paid, and the number of months until all debt is paid off, this is all automated, so you would not put any information here because you will enter the information down here and it will automatically pull that information up top. So under the debts names, you will just list out all your debts, whether that's a car payment, credit card, payday loan, student loan, medical debts. You'll list all that here. At this point, it doesn't matter if it's listed from smallest to largest, the calculator will pull that information for you. So also put your balance, your interest rate, and the minimum payment that you are required to pay every month. So we come to the right. Since this is colored in, this means that you don't have to enter any data. The spreadsheet will automatically calculate that for you. So here you see, even though we put credit card here and the balance was $9.45, the spreadsheet has taken the smallest balance and started with that. So you will pay that off first, and then the car is the largest debt that's on here, so that has been listed as the last thing you will try to pay off. So here it predicts when you will have the debts paid off for the individual debts and how long it will take you, and it will take into account if you put any additional monthly payment amounts. So that's how it comes up with the minimum payments here. So if we go to the next tabs, the next tabs they're going to look exactly the same. And like before, it automatically pulls from the information that is given on that snowball calculator right here. So you won't have to put any information here. You'll just follow the debt schedule, debt payment schedule that it's giving you. So it automatically put that is your first debt that you want to tackle is your payday loan. Your initial balance is $400. So we're starting in February. And you're going to make a payment of $225. 166 of those dollars is interest. So your balance will still be $341. And then it will keep going for you until you pay off the debt. And it will show you the payments that you need to make. And then we will go to your, once that's paid off, it will go to your next debt. And that would be your student loan. Initial balance is $800, and then it will show you again how much you should pay and what the balance will be based off your interest, and so on until you pay everything off. So that's it for the debt snowball calculator. This spreadsheet is available in my Etsy shop and as well as my website. So if you're interested, you can find that there. And thank you. I hope you have a great day.